Tensions remain high between the Indian government and Twitter after police in India's capital raided the social media giant's offices in Delhi and Gurgaon to serve a notice based on a complaint about why a tweet by the spokesperson of the ruling BJP was tagged as manipulated media. The spokesperson of the ruling BJP, Sambit Patra, had shared a document allegedly highlighting the tactic used by the Congress party, which is in opposition to attack the ruling BJP's efforts to combat the pandemic. Sambit Patra claimed that document or toolkit was made by Congress party to defame the ruling BJP. Congress in turn alleged that the document tweeted by Sambit Patra is fake. The party sent a letter to Twitter's headquarters in the US calling for Sambit Patra's account, as well as those of several other BJP's representatives, to be permanently suspended. While Twitter didn't do so, it did mark Patra's tweet as, quote, manipulated media. This prompted action by the Delhi police against the social media network. Over the last 6 months, there have been a series of flashpoints between the Indian government and the US-based social media giant over critical tweets, from the farmer protests to the government's COVID response. Also, Twitter earlier this year reversed its blocking of a number of accounts critical of New Delhi's new agriculture laws following a request from authorities. WhatsApp, too, remains in muddy waters. The Indian government has asked WhatsApp to roll back its controversial privacy policy. The company has been given 7 days to respond, failure to which legal action will be launched. With the deadline nearing, WhatsApp has replied to the government's letter, saying that they have assured them that the privacy of users remains its highest priority. Next up is Facebook. Just 2 days from deadline, Facebook is yet to appoint officials who will liaise directly with the government. The social media giant said few issues need more engagement with the government. Facebook aims to comply with the provisions of the IT rules. The directives were issued in February and required all significant social media intermediaries, including Instagram and Twitter, to designate executives for these roles by May the 26th. Should the companies fail to comply, they could lose protection accorded to them under Section 79 of the Information Technology Act. Social media platforms, much to the dismay of governments worldwide, hold a lot of data on their users that not only affect privacy laws, but could fundamentally affect democracy. Social media companies such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram maintain profiles of their users, the data of which they anonymize and sell to businesses who utilize that data to increase their reach, followers, website traffic, and revenue. But worryingly, this data can also be used to map users' political views and preferences. This is why governments across the globe vie to limit the power of social media companies, as these kind of data breaches can be used to exact various political outcomes.